So I've already made a plus 10 enhanced sword earlier, and after enhanced level 6 there is a possible chance of the item exploding upon enhancing. I'm feeling hella lucky, and at enhanced 10 your item would glow. Only your weapon. I tried enhancing some other weapon, or not weapon, clothing. I have this a plus 10 brass shirt, and it's not glowing at all. So it's only the weapon that glows upon having plus 10 thing. So here it goes. Unequipped it, and Doran dude is right there. Let me just go closer to him so I could actually click. Oh my gosh, I pressed D, now it's auto running. Oh, this is impossible. Alright. If it explodes, well then, what a waste of my best weapon. Alright, here it goes. Oh my god, I'm gonna hit myself if this fails. Alright. Oh god. Oh, I failed. No, go big or go home, they say. No! Jesus!